This is the front-mounted Neo-X hub for drifting and rallying, inspired by YouTuber Sim Racing Cockpits. And with a few simple steps, you can also make your own version. For this wheel, you will need a few accessories for the modification. A contour rim, of course, a 70mm quick release, a spacer for the quick release adapter plate, and extra screws depending on the spacer and the rim you're using. A few things to be aware of when modifying this particular setup. One is to make sure that the PCB on the 70QR matches with that of the Neo-X. Also, you want to measure the contour displacement of the rim and pick a spacer that is slightly longer. That way, you can ensure there is enough space for the hub to be fitted in the space of the rim. So the first thing is to remove the 50QR that comes with the Neo-X hub and remove the QR socket from the PCB. Then you want to take the spacer and install it on the QR adapter plate. Once that's done, install the adapter plate back onto the hub. Then place the rim on the spacer before you install the 70QR. After plugging in the PCB, tighten up all the screws, and there you have it. It takes a bit of effort and some extra accessories, but for those who are interested and have the capability, this is an excellent way to modify your Neo-X hub.